Hello friends, in this lecture we will know about replace function. With the replace function we can replace two nodes. Now to understand this I go to project file. In your project file open the folder replace and select the file replace and click OK. Now inside this file we can see we have created a mesh. So here select by config and here select by topo and then go to shaded geometry, and here we can see if I go to wireframe the mesh is not connected here. Now to make a connected mesh what we can do is we can use the option that is called so you can find this replace function, go to 2D and you can see replace. From your keyboard you can press F3 from the keyboard, press F3. Now in this replace function we can see it is showing option replace and replace with. In here we can only replace the nodes. Now here you see two options, equivalence and midpoint. So we have to make a check on this equivalence. So whenever we select the equivalence option it will automatically equivalence the node. So hence we don't need to check the free edges. If we don't make a check on this it will create a free edge between the nodes. And also we can replace at the midpoint. So let's say I go to this option here. So let's say I want to place this node from here to here. So what I do, I select this node. So select the first node which we want to replace and now select replace with. Now we can see the node has been replaced. So similarly here select this node and this node. Again here this node and this node. Now sometimes we can see the distance between nodes is very large. So whenever the distance is very large we see the flow is not good. In these types of situation we can use the replace at mid. Make a check on this mid. Select the first node, select the second node and both node will meet at the midpoint. Now zoom out from here. So once again we can continue using this function. So this function is basically very useful when we have to remove the free edges. So let's say here what I can do is I can go to this mid here. So select this node, connect this node here. Now similarly connect these two nodes again. So here what I can do is I can make a uncheck on this. Select this node and then select this node here. Make sure there is an uncheck on this. So here we can see the node we have replaced is deviating away from the projection line. So make a reject on this, make a uncheck on this, then select this node up to this node, and here we can see there is a free edge. This node is not connected to anywhere. I can make a check on this midpoint and select this node and this node. Now it will ask replacing this node will destroy an element. So basically what happened when we replace these two nodes, a tria element will be created here. Now click on yes. So that is why it is asking us to select whether we want to continue or not. So I click on yes and now we can see a tria element has been created. And also similar thing we can do here. Go to this replace like this and click on return. So in this way we can use this replace function.